What?
What were you up to?
98%.
So close.
I'm the biggest sook. Seth, you know how I died?
Yeah.
I was basically mini wave, and I would have like been chilling, but like, you know how like the hitbox is like different for like different sizes of like when you're mini and when
The
you're like
spike?
big.
Oh yeah.
Like, I went through
Yeah.
like a big portal and I just like went inside the block. Like I just spawned inside the block. So I was fine until I went through the portal. What? Yeah, can you? Oh no, I'll come out in a bit.
I won't. You're like near or something.
No, to have an eaten apple. Because I was like, my mum was like, should we get apples? Because we like, when we get them, we don't really eat them. And I'm like, yeah, get some apples. And we like haven't eaten them yet.
Some apples.
I like enjoy apples, but I just like forget they're there. Just like forget we have apples, and I have like the biggest silk. And then they're like all like weird colours, like slummy. There's no chance I don't beat it this time. There's like 0. Negative chance.
Rob.
Time. Go then, mate.
More than
Until I die here. Nah, it's not possible, mate. Right, break time.
Slim time.
Nah, mate.
Gap it.
Shut up. I'm trying to like sweat my bum off, and you're like, Gavin.
Alright, I'm sorry.
I forgot there was more shit on there.
You die something.
Huh?
You die something.
No, I'm still alive. I just like forgot that I had to click. I was like put my hand away. I thought it was like a cutscene, but like.
Looks like it's time to oil up.
There we go. What are you drinking, you dog?
Sure, you clip that.